What's up, y'all? Fishing trips. This is KG. Y'all know the deal. This is actually the last day on the island. So far I've had an absolutely amazing time. I say absolutely. So far I've had a really great time here visiting the island. It's been a very wholesome experience to be able to be away from home, but I'm not too far. Literally, land from Catalina is about 20 miles from here. So it's not too far. You can see Catalina on clear days, but this is the first time I've ever visited the island, and I've heard a lot of mixed reviews about it. A lot of people say it's all right and really expensive. Other people say it's super awesome and they love coming here all the time. So it's a preference thing. Personally, I've had a great time so far. The first day, settled in, went fishing off the pier, caught some great fish, put some people on, which is fantastic. Had a great night the first night. Ate at some really good spots. There's a nice fish and chip spot along the pier. And then we did some late night KG's fish and trips after dark last night off the pier too, and we had so much fun. Caught some nice calico bass. We were just out there by ourselves. Nobody was there late at night. But today, I had to come out and get out in the kayak. So after being on the boat yesterday and catching some good fish in the morning, I really wanted to come out on a kayak, and just away from the engine, and just all me, using my strength, my energy to really push along the coast of the island. And I'm super excited. I just left the spot where you launch from. So just launched from over there. We're actually heading west towards Frog Rock. I'm super excited to go to Frog Rock. I actually want to go and jump off the rock, do a little cliff diving. It's not too high. It's nothing Lake Havasu style, but it is still a cool little spot that you can go by. You can snorkel right there. So I brought all my gear. We're out here, we're pushing, we're about to do it. So let's tap in. Here we go, Frog Rock on the way. You can see the bottom of the ocean from right here. It's no more than maybe 20 feet down. A lot of kelp, rocks down there, some Garibaldi fish. Already mentioned before, Garibaldi state fish, the orange ones. They're down here just cruising. I'm in their territories right now, but they're welcoming. Until I drop that line and hook in. Cool little private beach right here. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna go paddle around Frog Rock, scope the area out, see if there's any big boulders around, because like I said, I'm gonna go jump off this thing. It's only about probably 20 feet high, so nothing crazy, but definitely I want to scout the area since I am by myself. Here it is, Frog Rock. A couple kayakers along the beach. Do some scouting right now. See if we got any big boulders. What's up, guys? Kind of sick for Cheppy's fish tank. This is for you, Cheppy, for the fish tank. This is actually from the beach, not those fake ones. Not really a lot of grips for me out here. All right. See this rock right here? Looks like somebody plastered that in for people to use to climb up. This rock is way steeper than I'd like it to be, but sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit. Yep, the first part may have been the most challenging, it looks like, because I'm up here now. Whoa! It's a little higher than I thought. Now time to jump. We've been hanging out here for a while. Just ate a couple snacks. Jumped off Frog Rock. About to go snorkeling right now. See if we can see any Garibaldi over here under the rocks. Let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, snorkel core over here. Snorkel core. Look at my lip. Look, I got a lip job done. Ooh, look at those things puckering. This is a little spot I've been chilling at. Nice little cove. Right down the mountain. Frog Rock. Let's go see if we can see any Garibaldis out here. Garibaldis. They got lips like mine, just a little smaller. There's a lobster. There's a lobster down here. Let's go see the lobster. I'd like to shuck them and cook them up tonight in some garlic butters. Let's go see this guy. Did he catch my breath? I think it was a crab. I think it was a big crab. Might have been a crab. We're gonna take one more look. One more look. you can see, that was awesome to go under there. I hope I got the lobsters. Hope I got the lobsters. Oh no, my camera. Well, guys, I'll be back. Gotta wipe the lens. Let's go. We're on. We're on. Max Customs out at sea. Oh, let's go. Let's go. A nice opal eye. Let's go. Let's go. Right off the yak. Very, very blue eye. See if I can get close enough for it to focus. But yeah, let's go. I didn't even catch one of these yesterday when I was out here. That's so awesome. Let's go, guys. Send this little skipper back. He's out. Let's go. Let's go. We're on one. Let's go. Oh, let's go. This guy's a fighter. Oh, a freaking fatty sheep douche. Oh, shoot. A fatty sheep douche. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. Let's go. This is like a little 2-pound sheep head right here. 3-pound sheep head. This thing's big. Oh my gosh, let's go. I'm juiced. I'm out after this one, guys. That's it. KG conquers the island. Look at the chompas. Look at the chompas. Last day here on the island. It was amazing. As y'all saw, jumping off rocks, snorkeling in the cave over here, seeing some fish, seeing a lobster, seeing a crab. It was fun. It was super fun. I tell you, I'm not disappointed in the island. I would definitely come back here. I want to come back here next week, but unfortunately that's not within the plans. But I will make it back here to the island and come snorkel out here, kayak, fish. So many things that you can do. I didn't even get to do half the things that I wanted to do, but we'll get there in due time. But I just want to say I appreciate you guys hanging out, sticking around, subscribing, liking, commenting. That like goes a long way. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for tapping in. KG's Fishing Trips, Frog Rock, last day. We're out.